I think honestly, in the beginning, I was ready to shut down because it seemed so overwhelming to have to start marketing when I that wasn't even my area. And the breaking it down into those baby steps and just letting me focus on one thing at a time and starting really small. I was looking down the road at some of the things that I would have to do, and I thought, there's no way. I'm so excited that I don't have to do that yet. But it helps so much with each little step to get closer and closer. And then when we got into the branding, and then I started to see, once they sent me my logo, and then I was like, okay, now I can start thinking about what photos. And when you mentioned the digital photo site, now I'm on there all the time. And now I'm with adding in the graphic design tools and just being able to play with them and then reaching the next step. Now it was you that inspired me to start the group, because I thought, oh, all of a sudden I know what I want to do, and now I know what I can do. In the beginning, when you were asking me, what can you offer people, I'm like, I can't offer them anything. I can teach their kids kindergarten, but the reality is, I kind of started honing in. So I think that's been the biggest thing, is that you've managed to break it down so that for this month, okay, this is what I can focus on, and don't worry about the rest of it right now, because you won't know how to do it until you do this. So I think that's probably, I needed it broken down, and I've got my board up here with everything. That I appreciate it so much, because it's really helped me.